Hello, I wish to introduce you the Bikeep Success Dashboard. This is the reporting you get if you power your devices with Powered by Bikeep IoT. Either these are bike docks, lockers, hangars, bike rooms, anything that's powered with Bikeep IoT devices. Then you get the Success Dashboard, where we help you understand what's your overall success. We help to translate this into net social benefits created, like vehicle distance avoided, CO2 emissions saved, or what are the actual air pollution or health benefits generated in your system. Also below here is all the data that we use for these calculations. If you scroll down, you can go and understand the specific usage metrics of your station and the whole system that are used in order to calculate these net social benefits. From the left-hand menu, you can specify which kind of time frame you wish to observe, whether it's last month, this year, this month, etc., or any kind of a custom date range, or if you wish to filter out certain locations. So what you will see on the data display, it's how many locations are in your system, how many sessions did it generate in this specific time frame, and how many users, etc. Everything you would presume from a smart system. Also, we show you on the map where the stations are located, which helps you to understand the system in general. Then a visual representation of the total parking time that happened in the specific time frame and the total sessions. The visual representation shows which kind of stations got more usage. So the bigger the square, the more usage did it get. And the reason why we show parking time and sessions differently is because some of the locations just generate many sessions, like grocery stores, for example. And some locations generate lengthy but fewer sessions, like railway stations. Everything you see here is easily exportable as a PNG image, so you could actually include it in another kind of presentation if you wished. Then we also show you the heat maps where you can understand where these stations or where these sessions are actually happening, which helps you to understand which kind of locations may be underperforming, for example. And then, if you want to see, you can drill down into specific details. The daily sessions, so you could see like how the sessions are happening in the given time frame over time. You can switch on both the stations from here in order to compare perhaps certain locations to each other and to have better understanding what's going on. And as you remember, you can also download everything as PNG, any chart in this data dashboard. Then what you can observe is the parking time and session graph over time. Here you can specify whether you want to see 1 week, 1 month, or 3 months. And you can easily use the slider menu, yet again, to have a better understanding of your system usage, to make better planning decisions. Then the usage method split between the mobile application and the access cards. Then in the following chart, we show you the popular parking start and end times, so you could understand when the cyclists are coming in. For example, this shows that the most popular times are 2 and 3 p.m. on Tuesday, also on Thursday, and when the most popular time to end the sessions is also around this time frame. From here, you can understand what's the usual or average session length, and a very useful feature to understand the overall system rating based on how many feedbacks. So whenever the user ends a Bikeep powered session, we give them an opportunity to give us the feedback. This is very good to observe a larger scale of the system and understand which kind of locations are underperforming. Because if we go into a location-specific view, we can understand that this one got a rating of 1.0. Why fitness? What is going on there? Always, this is a location where we have to drill down and understand what's causing these user ratings. And in order to understand that, we also show you the user feedbacks, highlighted ones, and if you click on it, you can also understand all of the feedbacks. So this is what the Bikeep data dashboard looks like in order for you to understand how your system is performing and what kind of success are you achieving.